Have you heard the saying, making money while you're sleeping? That's what you get from passive income. Passive income refers to income that does not need a significant commitment of time or money. Although most passive income ideas require some initial time, money, or resources, they should require only minimal monitoring on an ongoing basis. The current cost of living crisis is encouraging people to find additional sources of income to cover rising food, petrol, and energy bills, and the extra cash flow generated from passive income can greatly help in that. But there are so many passive income businesses out there. Which one should you go for? Sell courses online. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. You can create an audio or video course, then sit back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. But you have to make it interesting so that people become eager to learn whatever you have to teach. Once you build up a decent following, you can see the cash flowing in without much effort. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income opportunities available today. If you have a good following on social media, website, or blog, then it can greatly help you. The process is simple. You promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on your site or social media account. As the product gets sold from your recommendation, you get a 5 to 10% commission. Almost every big brand has an affiliate program, so you can sell some pretty popular products and rake in the dough. The best way to do it is by promoting products that fit in with the content of the website or blog posts, or things you talk about more on your social media platforms. Start dropshipping. Launching a dropshipping business can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. With dropshipping, you can find trending products on marketplaces like AliExpress to sell to customers around the globe. Dropshipping is pretty easy to start. You first open an online store and show the products to your digital customers. As a customer orders from your store, it gets forwarded directly to the manufacturers and they simply deliver the product to them. You charge the customer a little bit more than the dropshipping service charges you for the product and shipping and pocket the difference. You can start small, big, or medium, however you like. You just have to make sure to attract customers to your digital store and make orders. It'll keep those dollars coming. Create an app. Remember when I said passive income needs time and investment initially so that you can enjoy a constant return later? Well, it fits perfectly for this option. If you're into software development, then try and create an app. You can earn from apps in two ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads, offering paywalled content and charging for premium features. Once your app is public and users start to download it, it can generate a passive income for a long time. Sell stock photos. Do you know your way with the camera? If you're famous in your group for taking some cool snaps, then you should consider selling stock photos as a passive income. All you need to get started is a great camera. But these days, you can even use your smartphone to capture amazing images. Consider taking high-quality photos and listing them on stock photography sites to earn income in the form of royalties. As one stock image can be sold over and over again, you can see a decent cash flow. Just get approved by any platforms like Getty Images, Shutterstock, etc., and that's it. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. Investing in stocks. Investing in the stock market has to be one of the most ideal passive income sources. If you're willing to play the long game with passive income, then investing in options like dividend stocks could be a good move. Shareholders in companies with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout is. This income can stretch far beyond what your value at your 9-to-5 job is worth, and you can start with any amount you're comfortable with and gradually increase the investment to raise the return. So, which passive income business attracts you the most? Let us know in the comments. See you in another video.